Hey guys, this is my first English YouTube video and I'm gonna make Turkish rice pudding today. Turkish rice pudding means baked rice pudding. So I have 5 spoonful California Rose rice, 3 spoonful cornstarch, 1 medium egg, 1 cup of cane sugar, 1 cup of water. I'll use this water to boil the rice, and milk. I'll use 5 cups of milk. So that's it. I'll start with boiling the rice, water. Okay. While boiling the rice, I'll start warming the milk up. Here's my milk, 5 cups of milk and 1 cup of cane sugar. Please don't forget to cook it on low heat. So we'll cook it slowly. I think sugar has melted. And I'll just whisk it once in a while. As you can see, rice is ready. They look bigger and hopefully softer. So I can switch it off. Milk is still boiling and I want to tell you guys about a technique and it's called tempering. Here's my egg and there is boiling milk, so I don't want to mix them right away. What I'm gonna do is I'll mix my egg with 3 spoonful cornstarch. I'll add a little bit of water and I'll mix them. The reason why that I don't want to mix the egg and milk right away, because milk is hot and egg is something that can cook very quickly. If I would add the milk into the boiling water or milk, soup, whatever you're making, egg would cook very quickly. You would have a scrambled egg in your dessert, so we don't want to do this. So I'm whisking a little bit of water, cornstarch and egg. I want to pour this mixture in a larger bowl and you'll see the reason very soon. So milk is boiling and now I'm gonna show you tempering method. Like I said, this mixture with egg is cold and here is boiling milk. So all I have to do is pouring the warm milk slowly and whisking the mixture vigorously, constantly. So I'm making this cold mixture a little warmer. So you can use tempering method while adding milk or cream or egg into your soups or desserts. I think this is enough. As you can see, it's a flawless mixture. Now I'm adding this into the milk slowly. Keep whisking, just keep whisking. I want to mention last magical touch. It's vanilla extract. Of course it's optional, you don't have to add, but I like the smell, so I want to add a little bit of vanilla extract. Should be enough. If you have clay pots, you can use them, that would be the best, but I don't have them, so I'll just use these oven safe bowls. Pudding is almost ready, still liquidy, so this texture is fine. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Don't forget to leave a little bit of space while pouring the pudding, almost ½ inch. Here is the traditional part. This is regular rice pudding, a little bit thinner, but regular rice pudding. So I'll bake them, but how? I replaced the bowls in a larger and deeper container, and I'll add water. Now I'm waiting and monitoring the pudding because, you know, every oven is different. I mean, I preheated my oven to 450 degrees, but I mean, if your oven is more stronger than my oven, you may set it a little bit lower, so it depends on your oven's condition. I cannot tell you that, hey, you should cook it like for 30 minutes, for 10 minutes, 11 minutes, I don't know. I'll just keep observing it. I replace the containers to the top. I just want to burn the top part of the rice pudding just a little. The back part of the oven is warmer, much warmer, so that's why I wanted to turn the larger container the opposite way. But you should be extra careful at this point because it's full with hot water. You may burn yourself, so please be careful.
All right, let's try it out. Looks good. It's really good. You can taste the vanilla.